Hello there! Today, we in Anaheim at the Hotel Lulu, right down the street from Disneyland, right on Harbor Boulevard. It's about a 10-minute walk to the parks from here, so it's super close. One cool thing that the hotel did for us on check-in was they give us these complimentary cocktails. I know, Val's excited. It's vodka and I think lemonade and looks like some blue curacao. So if you're over 21 and you're checking into this hotel, each guest gets a cocktail. Another thing to note before we get started with the room tour is parking is $29 a night plus tax. You're about to be in this with us. Let's go get it. All right, I'm gonna start this room tour here at the Hotel Lulu, showing you the hallway just to give you an idea of what it looks like in these hallways. We're a bit far down the hall in room 628 here. And see, there you go, there's the very end. You got a window in the back. All right, let me in. Hey, Val.
Come on in.
You ready to do this room tour?
Sure.
All right. So right as you walk in, right to your right, at least in this room, there's the closet. That is the Hotel Lulu. That's their special little mascot or character. Yeah. Her name's Lulu. So this is what you would put on your door if you don't want to be interrupted. Show the closet. It's not a walk-in closet at all. No, so it's a pretty small closet. When we stay in rooms, we like to put our belongings in these places to give you a realistic idea of what your stuff may look like. So we got a couple bags up there on the shelf, or 2 bags there on the bottom. You got your hangers there. Looks like they do some dry cleaning services. There's your iron and your ironing board. Moving on, right next to that is the bathroom. It's got a frosted glass door. Can't see through it though. So not really much to this bathroom. It's, you know, nice and clean. There's your towels there. There's Val's, what do you call it, toiletries, cosmetics. Yeah. You got the blow dryer there as well. You got a single sink. You got the mirror with it's got some pretty good lighting. There you have your outlets for the blow dryer or whatever else you need in here. Your hand towels, more hand towels there, and they give you a nice little design. Just some of the artwork. The hotel here looks as if it's like beach themed. It's got some mid-century modern aspects to it as well. There's, you know what that is. This is the shower with the tub. Pretty simple shower head there. Here's the tub. About 6 foot, 6'1". I don't know if I'll fit into that, we'll see. They give you a non-slip mat for the tub. So here you go, your hair wash, creme rinse, which is conditioner, and then your body wash. You just push on these and the soap comes out. All right, moving on to the room. It is not very big. Here you got your full-length mirror. Now I want to touch on something real quick that I didn't mention in the intro, is this hotel was, I would say in the past 2-3 years, taken over by Best Western, and this is their brand, their fancier brand, Hotel Lulu. But before it was the Red Lion, and you could tell they didn't replace certain pieces of furniture because it looks very much like what Red Lion did. And some of the stuff is a little scraped up, and you can tell they didn't really replace this entertainment center here. So before moving on to the beds, this is where your coffee section would be. Now, they don't give you like a Keurig, they give you like a little hot kettle, like an electric one that heats up, and they got instant coffee. You got your water there, and those are $6 per bottle. Just keep that in mind. You got your coffee cups there. You got this here. That's to turn the light on and off. That'll probably be your night light. Right below that, you've got microwave and a safe. Moving on, before I do the beds, I wanted to let you know that I was able to plug my iPad into the TV, and what they have here as their TV entertainment, there's no smart apps. It's just direct TV. And then below that, there's Lulu again. That's the refrigerator. Pretty decent size. You got some storage spaces there. I got my bag there below. There are no drawers in here, so that's where you're gonna put your clothes. You have a workstation here. You got your chair. You have a big drawer here, because you can put your computer and stuff in there, whatever you're working with. Here's your lamp. I've made sure to turn all the lights on in this room just to show you what it looks like with because it was pretty dark in here when we walked in. Here you have your outlets. Looks like you have regular outlets, some USB-A and one USB-C port there. They do have room service. You would just scan that QR code there, order it, they deliver it to you for free. Air conditioner, and that is controlled by the unit over here, so you don't do it over there near the window. There's some more of their beach themed artwork. Moving on to the beds. So if you look at the beds here, the design, it's got like that dark wood. I think that's what the Red Lion's theme was. It was kind of like, I don't, what is it? Renaissance-y? I don't know, I'm talking to you, Val. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
So we have a 2-queen room. Didn't even ask for it, but they gave it to us. So this is what this looks like. 2 queens. 2 queens and the 3rd queen over there sitting down. Whoa. All right. Next to the bed, you have a single lamp with an alarm clock. It does have USB-A inputs and 2 outlets, no USB-C. There's your direct TV remote, your phone if you need service from downstairs. Like always, hotels have the nightstand with the drawer next to it. No Bible. There's no Bible in here. Right. So, you know, download the Bible app if because the hotel doesn't have the Bible in it. And there's the other bed. Now, we just got here about an hour ago, so we have not slept in these beds. From what I've seen on other YouTube videos, they're pretty comfortable. Yeah. And then here's Val's little chill spot.
My drinking chair.
Yeah, Val's drinking chair. Every hotel has to have a drinking chair for Val. You got a lamp behind you if you wanted to chill right here, read a book or whatever. And then I guess, lastly for the room, the side that we're on is facing north, which would give you a small view of the park, which is over there. You can kind of see cars land. The attendant downstairs told us that you could still see some of the fireworks at night from here if you make it back to your room. So not a bad view. I mean, there's better here in Anaheim, but this is what we got and we were grateful for it. And down below here is the pool. They've got some like floaties in there. They got a ping pong table. What's that one game called? You throw the little bean bags?
Cornhole.
Cornhole. They got cornhole right there. They got a fire pit there and then a fire pit there. So, and I think right over there is the bar. I'll try to get to that. But essentially, that is the room. I'll give you one more spin around. There it is. Not bad. Yeah. You could tell that there's some older pieces of furniture that they used, left behind. So, sure. And also downstairs, some of the stuff needs some TLC, yeah. Some needs to be shined up a bit. But other than that, I think I would stay here again, just based on what the room looks like. Yeah. The carpet looks like it's been replaced, even though they didn't replace that or the bed frames. So, all right, well, let's do this outro. Yeah. All right, a couple things before we end this video. Wanted to let you know some of the amenities here. Downstairs, they do have breakfasts from 7 a.m. till 10:30 a.m. They do have a bar. It's open from 4:30 p.m. till 12 p.m. Yeah. So it's full service, so you can go get lit downstairs if you after a long day at the parks. Yeah, but I think that was pretty much it. Yeah? All right, well, that is it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope it gave you some insight to what this hotel has to offer. Real quick, Val, what's your first impression?
It's a great hotel. It's updated. You can tell the staff is really friendly. The lobby's great, and the rooms are cool too. So we knew what to expect coming in, and it definitely met or exceeded the expectations. So I would definitely stay here again. Yeah, and it's, from what I've noticed over the years of booking hotels around here in Anaheim, it's an affordable hotel, and I think it's a 3.5 star. Right. So yeah, I would stay here again. Location, you can't beat the location. Yeah. So. All right. Well, we appreciate you being in this with us, and we'll see you all a little later. I gotta go. Bye. God, I'm so tired.